We've now just started a section called the Ledges, right on the edge, and the path is right on the edge. Just before the first Triple Crown entry, you get a nice little out. Coming into the Dragon's Tooth area. Looks like I'm alone. Wow. I suppose these might be the dragon's molars going down the end. Oh, the dragon's tooth going into this. There's the tooth. Baby dragon's tooth. Ooh. Coming down from Dragon's Tooth, you cross over a path which actually takes you to a car park with 1.7 miles, not worth it. But the normal trail continues on, and this is what you get. And then you go back out. The trail goes that way, which is fine. And just over here, we have people. Day 51. It's going to be the day of the 700 miles, Dragon's Tooth, and a bit further. Day 50 was a really good day. We shortened it, just over 16 miles. We took our time, had a bathe in a creek, had a fantastic campsite in a sort of a glade, stream nearby, away from everybody, just the three of us. And yeah, that was really, really good. Woke up in the morning, fresh bear poo right in the middle of the site. So clearly we had a visitor, but actually it was one of the better bear hangs I've done, so that was good. Today, again, it's another 16 miler. We did two really big days, over 20, to set up two 15, 16 milers. So we could do Dragon's Tooth and McAfee Knob without hurting ourselves too much. So I realised I did 100 miles in about 5 days, so 5 or 6 days. So that's a bit incredible. But today, just been to Dragon's Tooth. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning. I'm just coming down to a road where I can nip off 0.3 of a mile to a shop because I've miscalculated my food. I've only got a day of food left and I really need 2 days. So we'll sort that out. Otherwise, it's been really good. Weather's starting to warm up a bit. It has been forecast for rain most of the week, but we haven't had it. One thing that is very noticeable in this part of Virginia, southern section, is that the water sources, they bunch up together, but actually they're sort of 8 miles apart a lot of the time. And obviously shelters have water, but it does mean you just have to pay a bit more attention. And if you get trail magic, chug down a few tins just to put some liquid inside you. But I've come down the mountain from Dragon's Tooth, and I've walked over 4 sort of water courses that obviously when it rains hard is full of water, but when it's fairly dry, they're dry, so they're not marked as a seasonal one on far out. But yeah, the prevalence of water is very different in this part of Virginia, so just a thought really. But anyway, let's see where the day takes us. Yes, it is 8.2, and actually it's probably harder than people think. There's a lot of rocks. I have never seen more than 3 or 4 cars in any car park, and this is the one for McAfee Knob. Wow. This is top McAfee Knob. Huge thunderstorm on the way up, but it cleared about a quarter of a mile before we got to the top. There's the iconic McAfee Knob. Almost nobody here because it was raining and they all went home.